Hello, today's tutorial, we're going to send money through BPI account using Ooredoo mobile money apps. Now we're going to use our fingerprint using the Ooredoo mobile money apps. Alright, we are now in the dashboard of Ooredoo mobile money apps. Now we need to click the international transfer, then the MoneyGram icon. Now today's rate is 14.01 real. Alright, now we are going to click send money. So in my case, I have 1,113 real. So I select send to my BPI account, and I will select the amount, enter the amount. So I will enter only 1,098 since the charge is 15 real. Alright, check properly with it is correct. Once it is correct, we can click confirm. So we'll proceed. We'll click confirm button. Alright, it's done. So we'll receive also a text notification regarding its successfully transferred the transaction. Alright, so we'll go back on the dashboard. Now it's become 0.45. It means we already transferred the amount. Alright guys, that's a very fast and easy way to send money through bank account.